The potential impact of healthcare on the climate is enormous. 5% of the footprint of the whole of the UK is from the NHS.
So everything we do in our clinical practice, we are adding to that. Then I think we can make a significant more contribution to reducing carbon emissions.
So Preetham and I had a conversation about trying to set up a service where we can reduce our carbon footprint. And in just 10 weeks, we made a series of changes. We've tried to rationalise kit and equipment and waste usage in the operating theatre for minor hand surgery. Move away from single-use products wherever we can. What that means is we've slashed our waste generation by 80, possibly even 90%.
Then we also looked at moving those small procedures outside the main theatres into an outpatient setting like this one, which meant we further decreased that carbon footprint to 90%.
Patient satisfaction is better, productivity is improved, so we're doing more patients. So they're in and out much faster, their journey time has been slashed.
It's much cheaper as well. We found that it's 66% cheaper doing procedures here than in the theatre.
Any big organisation is filled with inefficiencies, and all we need to do is take a step back, open our eyes, and just pick one thing and try and make a small change. If we can incorporate all of these things, it's got to be a good thing, and it will be cheaper and it'll be better for patients and better for the environment.